Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell for part 3 in Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard. Cross your fingers that my camera will allow us to record a third recording. And I've started to take advantage of the fact that a lot of the paint has dried enough so that I can pull things. And I'm just having my way with my painting, whatever way feels right to me at the moment. I have not used any of the white pearl, and it sounds like something I might want to try. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. And we hope that we actually get some whiteness out of that white pearl. It's a white metallic from Anita's in reality, and it's on my Amazon link. I like that. I think I'm just going to have a really good time adding some more lines to this because I can. That might be the last one that I want for a little while. We shall see. Ooh, I thought I was going to pull that, and I'm not going to. Same with this. Do we want that to go right up there? I could slide across all kinds of places. I'm not sure it will be what I want after I see it. But I do feel like I'm kind of close to being done with having done with what I like. I haven't used any skewers or any chains or anything. That is probably not the right skewer for this job because it's got paint on it already. I don't know what it is. Don't ask me. Somebody else suggest something. It's fun, that's what it is. It's unexpected fun. I think another gold line is necessary. Maybe another one still. Because I want to do that. I want some of that over here. That's a pretty cool piece. It's better than I expected. Come on out. That's a rather large bug. You are a bee or a wasp or something, and you're going to need to go away. You're stuck in the paint. Go away. Now you're orange, and it's not my fault. Well, it is, but... Don't come back again. Off you go. Go pollinate something. I like this orange so much. It's very tempting to just give myself permission to add some of that too, but I'm not sure how much further I want to go. Yes, that's my finger. Maybe we'll put some orange right in that gold and see how I like it. Use the skewer. I don't know why it reminds me of all kinds of other things. Because we don't know what it is, that's why. Thought it'd remind me of something, I guess. I'm going to pick up that paint I just dropped and use it to finish that line. Now, do I want that to go over the other side? Kind of eradicated some cool turquoise I was liking there. But I can take a drop and fool the eye. Very tempted by things I can have, like that turquoise color shift. Do I want some of that anywhere? It really depends on how fast it comes out. If it comes out very slowly, then I can draw a line. Or even come out and don't stick. I don't want much. Oops, right into the black. I got a lot more than I bargained for there. And I could probably consider just wiping that off. I don't really like wiping paint off, if I can help it. I kind of want some blue up there. I don't know why. I just think it would look good. I'm going to call this good right quick because I'm happy with it. It's a bit unexpected, but it's just one of those examples of following your muse's instructions and being happy with your results. I got a few edges I'm going to have to cover for a bit. But other than that, I think it has some good rhythm. It has some good color. It's interesting. You're seeing it the way I would see it. If I want to fix it tomorrow with something else, I can. I still want more of this. Such a glutton for that turquoise. And a nice flat card. I like how sheer it is. Oh, I just pulled my black paint, but that's okay because that's just meant to be there, obviously. And a little more over here and I'm good to go. If I have some left on my, yeah, cool. That black paint left on my card is kind of neat. I want to put some of this right on my card. And finish up. I'm not so sure about that black being there all the time, but I'm actually pretty happy. Now I like that white mark, but I think I want to finish it off. Yes, I want to do something up there, but if I'm afraid if I do something up there, being afraid is just dumb. Okay, not afraid anymore, and done. So, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio with the end of part 3. And I had a crib sheet that told me to tell you all these things. These things are, there's a link for Amazon below the Teespring link that at no added cost to you, you can get the OXO omelet turning spatula, the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, my gold mica powder, and lots of other cool stuff at no added cost to you. Please give me a thumbs up. It helps the placement of my videos on YouTube so more people get a chance to see and enjoy them. And the end screens at the very end of this video will take you to playlists. With the more you watch, the better off I am. The more time you watch any particular video, the better off I am. I really appreciate you guys having made a lot of contributions that have kept me painting. And the comments you make my day every time. Thank you so much. If you have questions, just ask them. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll be fine tomorrow. I'm going to steal some paint. Because I want that right there. And now I'm happier. I say that. Just can't stop myself. But in any case, I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook albums at the bottom of the link. I don't guarantee that the Facebook albums will work anymore, but they used to take you to the Wet and Dry Artworks for YouTube, and they are on my Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors page on Facebook. So if you go there and you join, you will be able to see them by doing so. I'm sorry it got convoluted, but so I have merchandise at Pixels and Fine Art America, and you can access those through the Shop Now button on my Facebook pages. And I've got artwork there that's been posted since, I've been posting there since 2013, and they got really great products. Also, if you're a painter and you want to use them, they do 25 free posts. And then they give you a website for a small yearly cost, and it's a pretty good deal. They don't do any advertising for you particularly, but I like these little cells here. I do sell my artwork. I do give lessons at the house. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate 57,000 of you, or however many of you there are. And I better stop playing now, because I like what I've got, and I'm just too likely to mess with it. And I think we're very good, and I will be touching up my edges for a few minutes, but other than everything you do, I see all that over there, and I want some more paint in there. And I get a dot. Oh well, never mind. That's what I get. I'm punished. And now it's something else. Alright you guys, I'll see you in the next video. I already said it was Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Make sure you can see that. And thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.